Hey, today's topic is same pronunciation but different meanings. So, Japanese language has same pronunciation words, but kanji is different. So you should check how to use this kanji in any situation. So let's get started. Number one, 初めて、初めて A little different pronunciation, accent. 初めて、初めて So 始める means start. 初めて is first time. So you know 初詣初詣 is beginning of the year. You go to the shrine or temples. We pray our happy. Next, 取る They are same. First, 取る is take and reserve and bring, catch. It's very common, this kanji, 取る。飛行機のチケットを取る。カバンを取る。予約を取る。It's this first kanji, 取る。Next, 取る is take a picture. 写真を撮る。Last, 撮る is get. This means like when you get insect. 虫を撮る or ボールを撮る。Attack of Titan. 巨人を捕獲する。Next, 聞く、聞く。First, 聞く is hear and listen. Maybe you can understand it's similar to English. For example, 音楽を聞く。音楽を聞く、人の話を聞く。Hear and listen is different, but this kanji, 聞く is not so different. So generally we use this first kanji. Next, this 聞く is effect. So like medicine, if you take medicine, 薬が効く。This 効く is 効果。効果がある。Next、暑い。暑い。Hot and warm. They are similar, but a little different. Hot when you touch the hot water. 暑い。This 暑い is warm. So 今年の夏は暑いね。Next, 見る。First 見る is 人を見るを見学する。Second 見る is when you go to the football match in the stadium, you can see football player, 試合を見る or 映画を見る、This means 観察 means or last 見る is examine. So doctors examine you when you have sick. 体調を見る or 体を見る。This kanji used 診察する。So many kanji has same pronunciation but different meanings. You should check which is correct. You have to remember. So see you next video.